Welcome to this tutorial on renaming files in Google Drive. Whether you're organizing documents for work or school, knowing how to rename files can help keep your digital space tidy and efficient. Let's dive into the simple steps you need to follow. First, open the Google Drive app on your device. If you're using a computer, you can access it through your web browser by navigating to drive.google.com. Make sure you're logged into your Google account so you can see all your files. Once you're in Google Drive, the next step is to find the file you want to rename. You can either scroll through your folders or use the search bar at the top of the screen to locate it quickly. Once you've found the file, look for the 3 vertical dots next to it. This is where you'll access the renaming option. Now that you've identified your file, click on the 3 dots next to it. This action will open a menu with several options related to that file. Among these options, you will see Rename. Click on this option and you'll be prompted to enter a new name for your file. At this point, change the name of your file to whatever you prefer. It's a good idea to choose a name that clearly describes the contents of the file, making it easier for you to find later. Once you've typed in the new name, look for the button that says Rename or OK and click on it. And just like that, your file has been renamed. The new name will appear immediately in Google Drive, ensuring that all your devices reflect this change. Remember, renaming a file does not affect its sharing settings or permissions, so you can rest assured that your collaborators will still have access. In summary, renaming a file in Google Drive is a straightforward process. Open the app, find your file, click on the 3 dots, select Rename, type in your new name, and confirm by clicking Rename. By following these simple steps, you can keep your files organized and easily accessible. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to check out more tips on managing your Google Drive efficiently. Happy organizing!